This is your GIMP toolbox here. So you are in the book at 3.2, the GIMP toolbox. So if the toolbox is not visible in the GIMP menu, you go to Tools and then Toolbox here. So that has always to be there on the left. There are a good few tools here, and in the exercise you need to hover over each of the tools and write the names down. So that's what you do for this exercise. And also there are some of the tools that we use quite a bit. There's the rectangle select tool, the ellipse select tool, the free select tool, the zoom tool, the move tool, the alignment tool, the crop tool to crop images or parts of images, the text tool, the bucket fill tool, the blend tool for gradients, the pencil tool, the brush tool, and the eraser tool. So those are the ones that we're using during the course.